How's it going, everybody? My name's Danzy, and today we're going to teach you how to play cornhole. Before we get started, make sure to gather all your equipment. If you do not have any cornhole sets, here's some home adaptations that you can use. Instead of bean bags, you can use rolled up socks, a rolled up t-shirt, or a Ziploc bag full of rice or beans. If you don't have cornhole boards, you can use hula hoops or even just a normal bowl. So grab your equipment and your water, and let's get started.
Hey everybody, I'm Paul and I'm going to show you the footwork for cornhole. You ready? Start with your right leg and you're just going to step it out and you're going to step it back. Step it out and step it back. Step it out and step it back. Try the left foot. Step it out, step it back. Step it out, step it back, step it out, step it back. Now take it up a notch. We're going to do a rock step. So rock it forward, rock it back. Rock it forward, rock it back. Rock it forward, rock it back. Try the other side. Rock it forward, rock it back. Rock it forward, rock it back. One more time for me. There we go. Now check out Hannah. She's going to show you the arms.
Hey, thanks, Paul. I'm Hannah. Okay, so now we're going to start with our arms. Let's just swing that right arm forward without the step. Make it nice and easy. Right arm forward. Okay, now let's switch our left. So left arm forward. Perfect. One more time. Okay, now let's bring that left foot forward and right arm at the same time. Ready? Perfect. And try to get that rock in that Paul was talking about. Okay, now let's switch that left arm forward and right leg. Perfect. Same time, try to find that rhythm. Okay, good job, everybody. Let's go to Taryn.
Hey everybody, I'm Taryn. I'm going to talk about the rules. So when you throw that bean bag, on the board is 1 point and the hole is 3. If you bounce from the ground to the board, that's 0. You also want to make sure that your boards are 10 paces or 10 steps apart. Now we're going to go to Connor and he's going to tell you some strategies.
All right, perfect. Thank you, Taryn. Now that she set up the rules, you guys know how to play the game. Now let's go over some tips and tricks on how to become a better player. One of the most important things is we know that the hole is 3 points and anywhere on the board is going to be 1 point. So to make a safe bet, you want to be putting it on the board near the hole. And usually you can do that by sliding it on. You want to shoot about probably a foot before the hole. And I'll kind of go over an example right now and show you how I'm able to do that. Perfect. You get the idea. Here we go.
Ooh, so close. Oh!
Tom, do you want to?
Chase, come on over here.
Good chance. You got it.
Oh, so close.
There you go. That's okay. Step a little closer if you want.
Awesome, great shot, Tom. Sweet, and so just get out there and get some practice in, get warmed up, get some water, and have fun. Thanks, guys.